everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2023 Toyota Tundra Crew Max Platinum located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this Tundra is called Midnight Black Metallic. This vehicle also has a 3.5 liter V6 cylinder twin turbo gas engine that puts out 389 horsepower and has a towing capacity of 5,010 kgs. This vehicle is also four-wheel drive. This Tundra uses 13.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 10.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So first we're going to take a look at the driver's side front interior door panel. So just taking a quick look here, you have a nice handle, you also have your power windows, your power locks, your child safety locks, your power adjusting mirrors, and your power folding mirrors. And then just down here you also have your seat preset as well. So you can have your seat set a certain way and somebody else is set a certain way, and you just press either 1 or 2, whichever it's set to, and your seat will be the same every time. You have a nice little compartment just underneath that, and then at the bottom you have a little compartment with 2 cup holders in it as well. Quick look over here at the front interior, which is a Softex leather seat. You also have power seats in both the driver's and passenger side as well. Now we're going to take a look at some of the steering wheel audio controls here. So you do have a nice leather steering wheel, which is also heated if you just look right down here. It is heated as well. So here you have it where you can control your digital screen. You can also adjust the volume, voice recognition, make a phone call. Over here you have your rear cross traffic control. You have your cruise control and your lane departure as well. And here you can adjust the radio station as well. Quick look here at the odometer. It is a full digital screen. So you do have in the middle, you have your RPM. Over on the right, you have your PSI. And then down at the bottom, you have your fuel gauge and also your temperature gauge. Then over on the left-hand side, you have your oil gauge, and then you have your gauge for how charged the battery is as well. Just jumping over here to look at the radio. So this is a 14-inch multimedia touchscreen. So you do have FM on it. You also have satellite radio on it as well. Then if we just go down here to the settings, you can see that there is a Bluetooth connection on it. And you also have Wi-Fi in this vehicle as well. It does also have a navigation system, but because this vehicle is new, it has yet to be activated. But you can put your navigation system and activate it on here as well. Just looking down here at some of the controls, you have not only a heated, but a ventilated seat. You also have your rear window defrost with heated mirrors. You can also control the temperature not only on the driver's side, but also on the passenger side. So you can have 2 different temperature settings in the front. Over here you have your USB input. Down here you have a wireless phone charger. Then we have a few cup holders here. Now we're going to take a look at the console. This you can easily slide back. So you can have a quick look in here, or there's a button just right here. Push that in, lifts it up, and away you go. So in here you can see you have a USB and a USB-C input. And you have lots of storage room in here as well. Now we're taking a quick look over here on the passenger side. As you can see, you have your power windows and power locks on the passenger side door as well. and lots of room for your passenger. You also have a nice glove compartment in here. And over here on the rear view mirror, it's hard to see, but right here you have your integrated garage door opener right here, 1, 2, and 3. You also have, you can adjust the dim setting on your rear view mirror as well. And last but not least, you also have a sunroof that goes all the way from the front right straight to the back. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at the driver's side exterior. So first I'm going to point out in the front. So as you can see here, you have your LED fog lights here. You also have your LED headlights. Now just coming up along the side, here you have your 20-inch alloy wheels. You also have right along here integrated turn signal mirrors. And now we're just going to go down along to the tailgate. Quick look at the bumper here. Not only do you have lights in it or your tow hitch at the bottom, but I love that the bumper has a nice dip in it. A lot easier to hop into the back of the truck. So now we're going to drop the tailgate and have a quick look at the bed. So here's a nice quick look at the bed. Lots of room where you can put in a lawn tractor in the back or even a small four-wheeler if need be. You do also, it's hard to see with the daylight, but you also have lights on the driver's side and on the passenger side here. You do also have a 120 volt outlet here as well. And also places to tie down any vehicle or any loose items that you might have in the back here. You can also fit quite a few hockey bags in the back here. Great if you're going on those nice long road trips. Now we're gonna hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So first things first, we're gonna take a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So as you can see here, you have a nice handle, you have power windows. Just below that, you also have a nice compartment. And below that, you have a compartment, a big compartment with 2 cup holders in it. You do also have this feature, which I love. You can easily, this just goes up and it just snaps in just like that. So if you have a child in the back seat or if you're trying to have a nap in the back seat, you can easily just put this up to block the sun out. And then it easily just tucks in just like that. Quick look at the rear interior here. Now these seats do easily fold up and fold down. So this little string here, you're gonna put your finger in the loop and you can just pull on it and the seat will come up and fold up just like that. And then you can unfold it just down like that. Same thing up on the top. Little loop, you're gonna pull the little loop up and the whole seat comes folding down. You have a nice little pocket in behind the driver's seat. You also have one in behind the passenger seat there. Quick look at the middle here. So you do have 2 nice cup holders, but you not only have air vents back here, you also have heated and ventilated rear seats. And then down here you can see you have a USB input and a USB-C input. Plus also a 120 volt outlet as well. Quick look over on the passenger side. And as you can see, there is also power windows on the passenger side door as well. All right, folks, that was our 2023 Toyota Tundra in Midnight Black Metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.